Hi friends, on this Mother's Day, I want to make something special. So today I am planning to make chicken lollipop. I have about 1.25 kilos of chicken, so which I am going to pour it here, and I am going to add 4 eggs here. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 spoon of table salt, and 2 tablespoon of corn flour, and quarter spoon of white pepper powder, 2 spoons of chicken stock powder, then 1 big green chili cut into small pieces. This is the red chili paste, coriander. So just mix it well. Fry it in a medium simmer. So it's important it gets deep fried. So yeah, remember medium simmer, and you have to keep turning the sides. So once all sides are brownish, and maybe you have to take about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see now, this is almost done. So generally I use a fork to check it. So it is going very smooth. So since yeah, you can see it's all sides are done. Take another pan, add some oil. I took 2 onions, chopped very small. Onions are fried. Add some curry leaves. So let's add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Add some chilies, red chili paste, chicken stock powder. Add some ketchup. Add a spoon of salt. Add a spoon of soy sauce. Add some coriander. So now I have taken 1 spoon of corn flour and mixed it with water. So that's our fried chicken lollipops. So I'm going to put it one by one. So that's it. Just have to mix it, and then I'm going to add some spring onion. So that's ready for serving.